Life is a whirlwind. Work deadlines, family commitments, the constant ping of notifications. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. We crave moments of peace, pockets of calm in our hectic days. What if I told you that such a sanctuary exists right at your vanity table? For many, makeup is a chore, another item on the to-do list. But it doesn't have to be. Shift your perspective and see makeup as self-care, a ritual of self-love. It's an opportunity to escape the chaos, to reconnect with yourself. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel the stress melt away as you pick up your favorite lipstick. This is your time, a moment carved out for you and you alone. It's time to indulge in the therapeutic world of makeup ASMR. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a tingling sensation that starts in the scalp and spreads throughout the body. It's often triggered by soft sounds like whispering or gentle movements. When applied to makeup, ASMR techniques can amplify its relaxing effects. Imagine the soft whisper of a makeup brush caressing your skin as you apply foundation. Feel the gentle tap-tap-tap of fingertips blending concealer under your eyes. Each movement is deliberate, slow, and calming. These gentle sounds and motions send signals to your brain that promote relaxation. Your heart rate slows, your breathing becomes deeper, and your mind starts to unwind. You're not just applying makeup, you're engaging in a form of mindfulness, focusing on the present moment and letting go of anxieties. The world of makeup is full of delightful textures, each capable of sparking joy and relaxation. Run your fingers through a velvety powder eyeshadow and feel its softness. Hear the satisfying click of a compact closing after you've perfected your look. The coolness of a jade roller gliding across your skin is incredibly soothing. It's like a mini massage, reducing puffiness and calming inflammation. Apply a creamy lipstick, savoring its smooth glide and the way it effortlessly adds a pop of color to your lips. These textures engage your senses, pulling you deeper into the present moment. The world fades away, and all that's left is you and the soothing ritual of makeup. I've seen firsthand the transformative power of makeup therapy. Women walk into my studio feeling stressed and overwhelmed. As we start the makeup session, a noticeable shift occurs. With each gentle brushstroke and the soft sounds of ASMR, their shoulders relax, their foreheads unfurrow. They begin to open up, sharing stories and laughing. By the end of the session, they radiate confidence and inner peace. It's not just about the final look, though that's always a boost. It's the journey of self-care, the mindful moments spent connecting with oneself. Makeup becomes a tool for self-discovery, a way to enhance natural beauty and uncover inner radiance. The benefits of makeup therapy extend beyond anecdotal evidence. Estheticians and psychologists alike recognize its potential to improve mental well-being. Estheticians see the immediate impact on clients' stress levels. The act of caring for oneself, even in small ways, can boost self-esteem and mood. Psychologists point to the mindfulness aspect of makeup ASMR. Focusing on the sensory experience of applying makeup can quiet racing thoughts and promote relaxation. It's a form of self-soothing, a way to regain control when life feels chaotic. In a world that constantly demands our attention, it's essential to carve out moments for ourselves. Makeup therapy, enhanced by the power of ASMR, offers a unique and accessible way to find peace in the everyday. Embrace the gentle brushstrokes, the soothing textures, the mindful moments of self-care. Unleash your inner artist, experiment with colors and techniques, and rediscover the joy of self-expression. Remember, Makeup is more than just a way to enhance your features. It's a powerful tool for self-love, relaxation, and inner peace. So the next time you reach for your makeup bag, take a deep breath, slow down, and allow yourself to be enveloped in the soothing whispers of makeup therapy.